sauce it up. Do too much, ain't enough. Where you from? Throw it out.
Hey YouTube family. Sorry, no, that was too late. Hey y'all, it's Jay. I'm back at y'all with another video, a hair video. Thank God. You know, but this is my hair review. I was telling y'all that I was going to be uploading after the tutorial. So, you know, you get the tutorial, then you can get the info, and then we gonna see what it's like later on down the months. But anywho, this is my Aliexpress hair. I got 3 bundles in a frontal of their Brazilian straight, a 16-inch frontal, 18-inch, 20-inch, and 22-inch bundles. The frontal does not come, hold on, dang, I'm gonna insert the pictures because I'm just about to show y'all the frontal, but it don't come pre-plucked, don't come with baby hair swoops and all that good stuff. It don't come with baby hair at all, to be honest. I had to put in work for this install that I wanted. I wanted to go for this look. I wanted long black hair in the middle part. I wanted long hair in the middle part for a good little minute now, and I finally got it. First thing first, my first impression of the hair, I just thought, you know, it's my hair. To be honest, when it's in the pack, it really don't, feel me, do much for me. It was like, you know, bouncy, shaky. And by the way, this is straight out the pack too. I didn't wash it first, wash my bundles first, and then put them in my head. Just straight installed it. So this, like again, I said first impression. So I just put them straight in my head. I wanted to do a sew-in because I always do wigs with my frontal installs and with any type of wig install, to be honest, because for one, it's kind of challenging for me to do a sew-in on myself, and I remembered that today. Well, not today, but last night and today, because I started last night, finished today, because it was taking me too long. It took me like 4 hours to do a sew-in on myself. Like, goddamn, Jesus, are you serious? I'm sorry, I just wanted to get the perfect look for this, and I'm doing the middle part. So yeah, hair straight out the package. It was just, you know, it shook, you know, just like this. And I was like, it's just hair, you know what I'm saying? Once I start sewing it in, baby, let me tell you, I'm like, damn, I'm short, because these 22 inches come down to my hip. Like, let me show y'all right quick. These my hips right here. I'm 5'5", like, goddamn. So it don't tank. I cut my wefts when doing my sewing, because doing the sewing, it was way easier for me to cut them bitches. I'm not good at doing the flip over method as is. So since I'm not doing a wig, just cut them. Way simpler. Can't see the back of my head, sis. Cut them hoes. Shedding though, it only shed when I first, you know, cut it and styled it and all that good stuff. Like when I run my comb through it, fingers through it, I'm not just strands of hair. Like, what is this? I got 2 strands through the comb now. 2. And I don't even know if those is like fresh strands or old strands. Nothing. It's like butter. And that's literally what this hair feel like. Straight up fucking butter. Doing the customizing though, cause that's what I was gonna say. On the frontal though, cause the bundles, they pretty straight. I have nothing but good things to say about the hair so far. Good moves, it's long, it's very pretty, very soft. Like, as soon as I hit that flat iron and that hot comb to this frontal, life. I got my whole life from this hair, y'all. The frontal, since it did come hella dense in the beginning, as you seen on the picture, I had to pluck for like a good hour and a half, and you know, it was worth it. I didn't bleach my knots. I put makeup on it. I put makeup on my stocking cap, makeup on the frontal, and just like that. And then after I did my baby's hairs and took the scarf off of it, I put powder, pressed powder, just on top, just cause I seen that shit on YouTube. Shedding, it's a go. Do I expect shedding? Maybe like tangling, it's a no so far. I could comb through it though. Like, who wouldn't comb through their hair? It's just a habit, you know what I'm saying? Tangling, probably through the nape. I'll expect that. I really haven't been getting any right now, probably because I haven't been giving it a chance to breathe. I haven't worn this hair out yet. It's like fresh day hair or whatever. But since it's long hair, it's 22 inches, and that's pretty much past my neck, you know. It's gonna do that probably more than likely, but we'll definitely see in the updated video. But just expect the norms out of some hair to do that type of thing. And that's really pretty much it. It's a short video because it's an initial review. It's a quick video. I have nothing but good things to say about it. All good vibes. if I was sweet and fancy at this editing stuff, I would be like, good vibes. And then say good vibes, like, okay, never mind. That's pretty much the end of this video, y'all. Thank you for watching my video. So follow me on Instagram, slay.byj. Follow me on Snapchat at j_cozart, and make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video to anybody who might be, you know, wondering what's popping with the what's popping with the Aliexpress straight Brazilian hair. You feel me? All right, y'all. Bye.